Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to break down how to write a compare and contrast essay, super simply and super quickly. If essays stress you out, don't worry, I'm making this easy. Stick around for a 3-minute guide that'll save you hours later. Have you ever argued with your friends over which pizza place is better and ended up making a full case for it? Congrats, you already know how to compare and contrast. Now let's just put that into essay form. Step 1. Understand the purpose. A compare and contrast essay shows similarities and differences between two things. You're not just listing facts, you're analyzing and making connections. Step 2. Choose a strong pair. To write a great compare and contrast essay, you need to pick two topics that make sense to compare. That means they should have enough in common so the comparison is meaningful but also have clear differences, so there's something to contrast. Think of it like this. You wouldn't compare dogs to washing machines. There's nothing to analyze. But cats versus dogs? That's perfect. Both are pets, but they're very different in behavior, needs, and personalities. When choosing your pair, ask yourself, do they belong to the same category? Can I talk about at least 3 solid points for both? Will readers find this comparison useful or interesting? Step 3. Plan your structure. You have 2 main options. Block method, talk about all of topic A first, then all of topic B. Point-by-point method, compare one feature at a time, like appearance, behavior, cost, etc. Step 4, create a simple outline. Think of your essay like a sandwich. Introduction, top bun. Start with a hook to grab attention, a question, quote, or fun fact. Briefly introduce both topics. End with a thesis statement that tells the reader what you'll compare and contrast. Body paragraphs, the filling. Write 2-3 paragraphs. Each paragraph compares one point or feature. For example, cost, appearance, behavior. Use clear examples for both topics in each paragraph. Conclusion, bottom bun. Summarize the key similarities and differences. End with a final thought, like your opinion or what the comparison shows overall. Step 5, write with clear transitions. Use transition words to guide your reader and make your writing flow smoothly. These words show how ideas are connected, whether you're pointing out similarities or differences. Example. To show similarities, you can use similarly, likewise, both. To show differences, you can use however, in contrast, on the other hand. And that's it. With the right structure and a few smooth transitions, your compare and contrast essay will basically write itself. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy writing tips. Good luck and happy writing!